This challenge is called SQLiLite. It's a medium-level challenge from the Web Exploitation category from the picoCTF 2022 event. The description says, "Can you log in to this website? Additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance." So the first thing you need to do to start the challenge is to launch the instance, which means we need to click on the blue button over here. And after we do that, after a few moments, we will see a link, and it says on the description, "Try to log in here." So what we need to do is right-click on the link and put the link in a new tab, and then access the tab. And we see here that we have a login form. So the name of this challenge is SQLiLite. So that implies to me that we need to log in to this web page by using a SQL injection technique. So the most common form of SQL injection technique for bypassing login forms is to use this payload. So it's going to be single quote space or 1 equals 1 and then space dash dash and then another space. So what this does is that it tries to send a true statement to the SQL database, which will allow us to log in. So the true statement is applied over here, 1 equals 1, and the OR statement allows for a valid username or this true statement right over here. And since the statement is going to return true, it's going to let us log into the website. So for the password portion of the form, we can put in basically anything. I'm just going to type in test, and then we're going to click on login. Okay, so now we're logged in, and you see here the original SQL query. So username quote or 1 equals 1, and then commenting out the rest of the statement. We put in our password as test. So the SQL query was select star all columns from the users table where the name is going to be blank or 1 equals 1, which is true, and the password is going to be test. But this portion is not considered. So basically, the statement comes across as true, and we're able to access the page. So it says here logged in, but you can see the flag. It is in plain sight. So what this is implying is that we're able to see the flag if we're able to see the source code for the website. And we can do so by right-clicking and clicking on View Page Source, or we can use the Control-U keyboard shortcut. So after that, we can see the code for the site. And so in the code is the flag over here. Your flag is this. So all we need to do is copy this flag and then go back to the challenge page. And then at the bottom of the challenge description, in the flag submission field, paste in the flag and click on Submit Flag. And we're finished.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.